Hello folks, this is Untitled from inspiredrise.com and today we are going to talk about the Realme 6 Pro and I'm going to showcase an unboxing for the same. So guys, this is the official box for the Realme 6 Pro. This is one of the newer smartphones by Realme and let's first see what you get inside the box. Inside the box you get the documentation, warranty card, etc. You get the TPU cover for the smartphone along with the quick start guide. And the TPU cover looks of a pretty good quality. It's pretty thick. And let's see what else do you get on the inside. Inside you get the smartphone. It's available in a few different colors and has a very nice Thunderbolt style of pattern at the back and looks pretty good. Has a 90 Hertz display. And inside you also get the fast charging module for this one, which charges it really fast. And it's a 30 watt VOOC 4.0 charging, 100% in 57 minutes. And you get a nice USB-C cable. It's pretty thick to support that fast charge, and also the SIM tray ejector tool on the inside. This device weighs around 202 grams, has a Gorilla Glass 5 back and front and a plastic frame. At the back there's the camera module, which is slightly protruding out. It's a dual SIM splash resistant device and comes with Snapdragon 720G, which is good enough for your normal day-to-day usage, but for the price for which this device retails you can easily get something better. It has a full HD plus 6.6 inch display and the hole punch pill style notch is on the top left. Supports Cam 2 API and has a 90 Hz refresh rate, which is the main selling point for this device. The camera module on this one is a 64MP one and I found it to be pretty good. It comes with Realme UI latest version, has some pre-bundled bloatware installed which can be uninstalled, and overall I felt that this device does not have too many shortcomings, but the biggest issue here is that this device retails for a price of 17,999 rupees, and for such a price you can get something like the Poco X2 or even other devices which perform better than this smartphone, and a 720G chipset in this price range does not make too much sense, because in this price range you can get much better performing smartphones. If you really want to buy this smartphone, buy it for the 90 Hz refresh rate display, the good looks that it has, and the battery life with a 4300 mAh battery. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, to subscribe to Inspired Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. Please guys, stay safe wherever you are, and no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.